So you know what space you've got to work with, where it says ABS at the top, if you just click on that, so it says rel, and then if you select the rectangle tool, go across to your page and then left click and drag, but don't click again. Instead, click where it says rel. In the first box, type in 300, and in the second box, type in 250, and then click return on your keyboard. Okay. Your cursor is still a plus sign, so you need to right click to get back to your arrow, and then click on your rectangle, grab it from the middle on that yellow square and drag it down. You need to have it starting towards the bottom left hand side of your page, and then click outside the box. You need to decide what image you'd like in the middle, okay, that we're gonna CNC router out. So I would go to the internet, and then you need a black and white cartoon image. That's what works best. So we click onto images. Once you've found the one that you like, I am gonna go for a relatively simple one. So I'm gonna go for that one, and I'm gonna copy my image and then go back to 2D design. Now on your keyboard, if you use your shortcut and you select Control V, and if you go back up to your screen, it will appear with a red checkered box around it. Okay. Just gonna select the corner and just make this a little bigger so you can see, and grab it from the middle and drag it down. It's important that it is still selected in this checkered box. Now at the minute, the pixels are only recognised from the internet, so what we need to do is change that so that the computer program recognises the pixels. So while it is still selected, you need to go up to bitmaps and then select vectorize bitmaps and then click on your image. You have this whole new dialog box come up, so you'll need to click onto monochrome and then OK, and then OK again. So now the computer recognises the pixels, but we have a lot of colour in here that we need to get rid of. So we're going to select out the arrow tool and click on the image, and then just directly above your page you've got a box that says fill. If you click onto that and then click on no fill and then OK. If I just click off of that, you can see now that the pixels are more in line with the program, so it will pick them up when we export the file to a CNC device. I don't need at the moment, so what I need to do is to get rid of them, but I can't do that when I select the whole thing is selected. So what I need to do is break down the pieces. So if you select your image and then go up to this little red plus sign at the top, it's your explode tool. So if you click onto that, just keep it at explode one level only and then click continue. And then you should be able to select all these individual pieces. So you can just select the bits that you don't need and hit delete on your keyboard, and you can just get rid of anything that you don't need. So I can get rid of all these pieces of the horn, for example. There we go. Okay, and just carry on until you're happy with it. Bear in mind that every line, every black line that you can see is going to be engraved on the CNC router.